In ancient Egypt, the process of mummification was a complex and intricate one. Recent discoveries have shed new light on the techniques and materials used in this ancient practice. Archaeologists have uncovered ancient Egyptian vessels that reveal secrets of how mummies were made. These vessels, known as canopic jars, were used to store the organs of the deceased during the mummification process. The canopic jars were made from a variety of materials, including limestone, alabaster, and pottery. Each jar was intricately carved and decorated with symbols and hieroglyphics. Inside the jars, archaeologists have found traces of the substances used to preserve the organs. These substances included a mixture of oils, resins, and spices, which were carefully selected for their preservative properties. The mummification process itself was a lengthy one, taking up to 70 days to complete. It involved the removal of the internal organs, which were then preserved and stored in the canopic jars. The body was then treated with natron, a type of salt, to remove moisture and prevent decay. After this, the body was wrapped in linen bandages and placed in a coffin or sarcophagus. These recent discoveries have provided valuable insights into the mummification process and the materials used by ancient Egyptians. They have also raised new questions about the religious and cultural significance of mummification in ancient Egypt. To learn more about the fascinating world of archaeology and ancient civilizations, subscribe to our channel. Like and share this video for more informative content on archaeological research.